it's Samiya. Welcome back to my channel. And do you know why I'm whispering? Well, that's because there's a bird up my tree and it's laid a nest, and yeah, and I don't know if it's going to, I think the baby's going here, and if you can see the yellow part, it's actually, the yellow part is actually the birds, or I think maybe it's attached to the mom bird or the baby. So I don't know if it's the baby's face or the mom's face. Well, it's actually called a mourning dove, and a mourning doves don't look like that, so I think it's the baby that's up there. And if you can see that side over there, there is the tail of the mother bear, if you can see. Right here.
Where did you see the yellow part?
It was like a yellow part right there.
No.
Yeah, there was
Where?
a yellow part. My mom was trying to say there wasn't a yellow part, but if she can see enough, it was right over there. So if I can see it through there, but she can't. I think maybe she's too tall and she doesn't know where it is. And on this yellow part right up there is a nice yellow part. So yeah, if you want, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my show. And by the way, there's a little grape, so they're gonna be sad. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my show. Thanks for watching. See you on my next channel. Bye.